What's up, guys? Today we got a little dirt bike maintenance to do. What do we got?
Oil change.
Oil change. Then we're gonna go riding. Let's get it done. All right, so we gotta do a little tune-up on a dirt bike. When you got a 2-stroke KTM 50 Mini and it has a centrifugal clutch, which means Hayes doesn't have to shift. It also means that you have to change the oil on it regularly. So, Hayes, what are we doing today?
We're changing the oil.
Changing the oil. You want to give us a step-by-step on how to change it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, so first things first, we got to get, what do we got to get? Our oil catch can, or whatever you want to call that. Your oil drain bucket, right? So we're gonna grab our oil drain bucket. And you're gonna put this under here, but first thing you're gonna do is you gotta take that lid off. Get that lid off. Yep. Yep. And where does that have to go under? Specifically, we gotta make sure that it goes under. Let's look in here. There's your drain plug right there, right?
Right here?
Yep, that's it.
So we have to unscrew that. And
Gotta unscrew that. So what do we need to unscrew that?
what's that?
That socket wrench? What size is that? That's a 13 millimeter, right?
Yeah.
So we get our 13 millimeter out with a little extension so we can reach in there, and then we're gonna get that thing undone. All right, we can get that out of there. Probably need 2 hands. Yep, and then tell you what, once you do that, and usually we can go like this. We'll take this guy off, and then you can just use that extension and reach that in there. And lefty loosey, righty tighty, right? You might need to put your drain. Yep, there you go. You can grab your drain bolt.
Drain bolt.
There you go. Just leave that off to the side here.
Wow. Look at you, kiddo.
Here it is. Right there. There's your rag.
Oh.
Yep. Okay. There's Mama Cat. She's here. All right. So this is just a little bit snug sometimes. So I just come down here with the pliers usually. Oops. That's a little bit.
After this, we are gonna go for a ride.
Yeah. Let's go for a ride after this.
Mom's coming and Dad's coming, and I'm gonna ride this thing that we're fixing right now.
Yep.
So I have an electric bike too, but the chain broke, snapped. But we fixed it, and yeah.
Now you're a big fan of the gas bike.
And now we got this from Las Vegas, somebody's house. So.
Yep, you bought it from somebody down in Las Vegas. There's a bunch of nice kids down there that also ride dirt bikes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
And there was a PW50.
They had a PW50. That's right. All right, so that's all drained out. We got your fill cap open. We need to put your drain plug back. We've cleaned that guy off. I think that looks pretty good. What do you think? Oh, yeah, look at that. Shiny in the sun. Oh, nice, dude. All right, so I'm going to get it started in here. And you are going to grab that socket. We're just going to
Twist it.
tighten this guy up.
Actually, right.
Which way?
Right.
Yep, here. You finish tightening it up that way. Yep, you twist it tight. And then once it gets snug with your hands, we don't need to crank this thing down crazy. We just need to get it tight enough on there. So go ahead and put that on there. Does that feel pretty tight so far? Seems like it is. Oh, yeah. I mean, that's pretty good. We'll just give it a little snug. That's really all you got to do. We don't have to go crazy on that. So that's done. All right, next, what do we have to do? What's this?
Oil.
Yep, so our oil, we have our fill funnel. We're gonna put our oil in here so that we know how much, and and that's our oil. So we gotta add it in here. So do you know how much we need in here? I have to look it back up.
Probably like this much.
I think it's 5 ounces, but let's look it up real quick. We'll double check. All right, so that's right. I was thinking ounces, but we're actually gonna do milliliters. So we need 200 milliliters. It needs to go right to that line. Do you want me to pour it in here and then you can pour it into the crankcase? What do you got to say?
So I saw my friend cleaning his dirt bike. he has an electric one, and I'm like, Mom, I want to go dirt biking today.
Okay, so you saw somebody cleaning their dirt bike?
Yeah.
Yep, and you were like, I want to go ride dirt bikes. I got to get this thing set up. Okay, cool. Let's put this in. We're going to fill it just at 200. Just go slow. All right. Just keep going. Perfect.
Perfect.
That's the sweet spot there. Boom.
And now let's put this lid on.
Yep. Make sure that's on good. And then we're going to use this funnel. We'll bring it on over here and we'll dump it in.
And we have that.
Yep. A little flap. Okay. All right. So
We have this.
funnel. And where's that going? Yep.
We're going in here. And let's just pour that right in there. Nice and slowly. So it gets in there.
Make sure you tip that all the way up. Get it all out of there. You can actually just let it sit there for a second. And just hold it there and make sure you get it out. Sweet, dude. Also, sun's out.
Got
Yep.
that.
Sweet. I got it all in there. Nice work.
Now we're just gonna put this right on.
Yep.
Just like that.
Fill cap.
We got chicks, so
You what?
we have chicks.
Chicks? Like, oh, chickens. Just a random statement. You got some chickens?
Yep.
We got chicks. Sun's out, guns out, and we got chicks.
Sun's out, guns out. We have chicks.
We actually haven't checked on them in a little while to see if the cat's been messing with them in the backyard, I guess.
Oh, should we go check on them?
Let's finish this first. Grab those pliers.
Yep.
Okay, we're just going to give this a slight little, I'm just going to be nice to it because it's a little aluminum part, but we're just going to make sure that that is
Really tight.
not really tight. We're just going to make sure it's snug. None of our engine oil components, we don't crank them down.
Factory.
What is it?
Fax Factory.
Fax Factory or Fox Factory? Fox Factory. There you go. Actually, that's Fox. It's a whole different Fox, but... All right, so that's it. That's how we change the oil. And now what are we going to do?
Right.
Let's go ride. All right, we got a lot accomplished today. We got an oil change in. We went riding. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Today was an awesome day. Hey, if you liked the video, what do we do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe or hit that like button. Give us a thumbs up. Hayes always appreciates a good thumbs up, right, dude? Yeah, buddy. We'll see you guys on the next one.